Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax on Long Beach Island, and I'm standing on the brand new 2021 Scout 277 LXF. This is a nice new model that Scout came out with over the past year. The great addition to this boat is this side dive door right here. So you can get in and out of the boat, get that big fish over the side if you do take this boat out tuna fishing. That being said as well, you have a nice live well here too to keep all your baits nice and alive. And you got this retractable seat back here. So it's nice when you're with the family, going cruising, you have this nice pull-out seat. But you can also make it disappear if you're out here fishing. This boat's equipped with twin Mercury 225s on it. Nice engines from Mercury, great package on this boat. Now also here in the transom, you do have the freshwater washout for your engine. So you just plug that in, clean both of them out. You don't have to do both engines separately, it'll do it itself. Back here on this 27 as well, you do have two in-floor fish boxes. So the catch of the day goes in there. You can load them up with ice. You can also load this Yeti up with ice for all your drinks and beverages. And then you have another bait well up here. And then 4 rod holders and 2 cup holders. Now this nice fiberglass molded T-top also has rod holders up here. You got some speakers in here, spreader lights, and it's all hooked onto this powder coated frame which goes to the console. This boat has 2 Garmin units. You have a Fusion radio control there, tilt steering wheel, and all your switching. Now going up to the bow on this boat, I'll point out that it has a 3-piece glass windshield and then also a nice head underneath here. As you can see, it's nicely finished down there. Now moving up in the bow, you have a nice cooler box under this front seat, and then you also have coolers really that can be used for either cooler or just dry storage, and they'll drain overboard. It's nice. And then a nice big in-floor box down here. And you can put your fenders in here, 5-gallon bucket filled with things. A lot of space. As well up here we have our windlass. So you got windlass controls and access to your windlass right here, as well as rod cup holders on both sides of this in the bow. So as you can see, this boat's very well equipped to be able to go fishing in the morning with your buddies and then take the whole family out cruising, sandbarring, what have you. Alright guys, this has been a look at the nice Scout 277 LXF here at MarineMax on Long Beach Island. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we may have here, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thanks.